Hello everyone, this is Aire from Aire Communication. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and review a bit one AC. This is from Electra. This is the split. That means it's hot and cold together. You're looking, the box is a nice looking box. The model number I'm telling you now. This is the interior part of the AC, SB09HUQI, and the exterior model number SB09HUQ0. Okay, the potentiality of this one is 2250/2500. It's 9 kilo. The height is 245 millimeter. The wide is 800 millimeter. Depth is 325 millimeter. The potentiality is 2500 watts. I'm gonna unbox now, and for this I'm gonna use a knife. Okay, here we are. What we have here is a small pack of manuals and all other things. Let me open this one first. Put this one here, and here is one tag. What we have here? We have manual. This is from Electra. Put one side. This we have to cut. We have something foam sort of thing. I don't know exactly how to use this one, where to use. What we have more? We have a remote control, a nice looking remote control, as you see. Okay, this is fine. What we have more? We have some bolt tools, some nuts, heavy nuts, quality. I can leave all this. And here is the AC. I will take this out from the box and I will be back. This is the bottom part of the AC, and we have something here at the back. Should be careful with this. Some bar. This is made of aluminium. I think this will hold the AC to the wall or something, this sort of thing. Put this one side. Here we have the technical things. I don't know exactly how they're gonna use and blah blah blah. Here we have the cable, the cord, 3-pin cord. This side of the AC is right in all the functionality. Okay, here is the display. Here it will tell you how much degrees Celsius you are now in. Here there's some system indication. This is power lead. The beautiful looking AC. Logo of Electra. A nice looking AC. This is the interior part. Okay. As I already told you, this is 2500 watts. Okay. This is all. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Aire Communication, www.airescommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.